Hello everyone, welcome back to Happy Treasures. Today I am making a delicious and healthy homemade sandwich using my brand new sandwich maker. Okay, first let's unbox my new sandwich maker and take a quick look at it. Today I am using these ingredients: breads, cheese, tomatoes, onions, broccoli and some spices and salt. These simple ingredients will help us make a healthy and tasty sandwich. Now set the temperature to medium heat. Add a little oil and cook the ingredients for this stuffing. Stir everything well until the filling is perfectly cooked. Our tasty sandwich stuffing is now ready. Take a slice of bread, spread the prepared stuffing on it and add some cheese. Cover it with another slice of bread to make a sandwich. Once the sandwich maker is preheated, lightly apply oil and place the sandwich inside, close the lid and cook until the timer is complete. Carefully remove the sandwich, place it on a plate, cut it into 2 pieces. Repeat the same procedure to make as many sandwiches as you like. Now it's time to enjoy this healthy and delicious sandwich with tomato sauce and green chutney. Thank you for watching.